Alright, trading recap for 25th. 4 stocks today, 5 trades, just over an R, 1.5 R day. Could have been a lot better. Didn't turn out as well as I would have liked, but whatever. Decided to overtrade near the end. So to get into it, JWN was my first stock and probably my best trade. Earnings wiped out these 4 green days and then absolutely just tanked. So I was looking at this thing right off the open. So it ended up being a 2-minute 3-bar play. So this is the ATR here. So that's where this ended up being my last partial. I played this about as well as I could have hoped to have played this thing. Got in short. This is the 5-minute. Over here. Got in short and then first partial at 1R, 2R, 3R, 4R, and like 4.5R, right at $31 because someone was bid propping 31, wouldn't let it bust, and then finally it busted. They sucked in all the shorts, all the shares and took it long. So that was a really good trade actually. And then my next one was on Taiwan Semi. Kind of like you can see over here it was kind of like a 5-minute 3-bar play as well as it looks better on the 3-minute. As well as like a 3-minute 3-bar play. So I got in for the break of this. So this was the 200 daily moving average and there was a massive liquidity zone down here as well as the next one was up here at 118, 119. I knew it wanted to test this, so that's why I got in. It was already, I had already done like 50% of the ATR in like, 6-7 minutes of the open, but I knew it really wanted to go test this. Especially there was a level up here at 118.50. So I got one hour partial, 2 hour partial. I mean, basically like top tick that. Then it came and ran back down basically to my stop loss and then kind of did its thing. So another really good trade. So right there I was up 3.5R and then this is where my day starts to trail off. I waited quite a bit. And then I took DKS near the end. Usually where I end my trading days. This thing had earnings as well. DKS has a short range, so it already done its range for the day. It gapped up crazy, I don't know, probably like 30% or something like that. And then it did this kind of death candle here after it broke this trend line. Did a double bottom, and I should have seen this double bottom indicating that it wanted to go higher, but in any case I didn't, and I have a strategy where it lets me take it short. SPY was still trending up, but it was ticking down right then, so I was kind of more sure when it broke this. I believe this is pre-market low, this line at 130.70. They sucked in all the shorts and ripped it. So that was me for a full 1 hour stop. So that gets me from 3.5R down to 2.5. This becomes a little bit of a dog's breakfast here. Okay, so this thing also had earnings. Apparently can do 4 times its typical range. Got ugly, but then it had ranged enough in this liquidity zone that I thought, okay, it does want to go now. So I got in long for this 3-minute 3-bar play. I mean, I was late to it clearly, but I wanted to be above this 50 level, and then I got slippage because right here I wanted to be above that half number, and then I stopped out break even because it went past and then came back down, went past and then came back down, and I stopped break even, and then I stopped some a little bit lower, like 0.4R. Wasn't really much of a hit then, and then this one was mostly just FOMO because SPY started to turn up for that one. Like SPY was breaking out here, and so I got in long for this. It just looked higher, and full R stop. is what it is. Going forwards, doing better. I guess I should not have traded KC. I mean, it's only traded, almost 2.5 million shares now, and it's like,